Okay, day 2. The next morning, let's see what this looks like. I'm fixing to water it, and if you notice, some of these seeds are swelling up and they're already starting to break open. Let me see here. Where did I just see that one at? Notice that one right there. This is the very next morning. Okay. Sorry, my video. I got this suspended from the ceiling. Look at that. You know, if you'll notice on the last video, well, that I showed you a close-up. Now it's time to water them again. My solution I made last night when I started these. Okay, like I said in the last video, this is a terrible sprayer. Please do not get a cheap sprayer like this. Get a better one. Alright, now I'm going to spray these where the seeds are soaking wet again. This is the first time I watered since I planted them yesterday or last night. Well, about 8 or 10 hours ago, maybe 12. And that's all you do. Now, when I water them again this evening, I'll video this again. So this is day 2. Okay, this is still day 2. This is the evening though. I watered it once this morning. I got it on this video. Now it's nighttime again. It's probably really closer to 24 hours instead of day 2. But day 2 because it's the next daylight for me. Now I'm going to make sure this is tight in here. I shake this up a little bit. I'm going to spray these again. But like I said, this is probably more like closer to 24 hours because it was just last night when I videoed this and sowed the seeds. But if you look closer, you can see that, you know, there's a lot of stuff happening in here. Let's see here. And of course, these seeds aren't really new seeds. I had these seeds for probably 2 years. So they're not germinating really fast for the most part. There's a lot of them that is. You can see that one there. These right here. Right here. No. And just all around. But I just wanted to show you day 2. And sometimes it's good, which I forgot to mention earlier, when you put these on, sometimes it's good to weigh them down. To get the seeds, so I'm going to set this on here, just for weight. It gets the seeds pressured to the moisture and it helps them germinate. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.